I have a message to the youth of Pakistan. I'm right now sitting in the University of Central Punjab with the Dean of Media Communications, the Honorable Professor Hanan Sahab, Dr. Hanan, Irfan Sahab and Hina, and an exceptionally talented young boy, Fawad. And I want to give a message to the youth of Pakistan that here is this boy who is not a Kashmiri, who is a proud Pakistani, but above that he's a good human being and a good soul and a pure soul. And the way he has, created this song, composed a song on Kashmir, and to wake up, to do something, and it has that childlike innocence in it, that purity in it, and that's what is required in any kind of great causes. You need to have a very pure heart and feel the pain of humanity. Though he does not live in Srinagar, but he feels the pain for all those people who are pressed on the Indian bullet, and he prays for peace. So please, I would request you, Fawad, that if you could sing that few verses of the beautiful song, and it made us all very, very emotional, and I hope it can inspire the youth all over the world, in fact, not just in Pakistan, to contribute to great causes through their artistic talents.
Thank you so much. The song name is Selfish. Itna selfish to na.
अब इतना सेल्फिश तू न बन, अब इतना सेल्फिश तू न बन, अब इतना सेल्फिश तू न बन. कुछ तो कश्मीर के लिए, कुछ तो कश्मीर के लिए, कुछ तो करे वरना, कुछ तो करे वरना टूट जाएगा, उजड़ जाएगा, बिखर जाएगा, उजड़ जाएगा, उजड़ जाएगा. अब इतना सेल्फिश तू ना बन. क्या तुम भूल गए हो वादे